Here I mentioned diploid. Diploid means what? Haploid means what? Then the male will be represented in this way and female will be represented in this way. These things I discussed. Next, this is diploid condition and this is haploid condition. Diploid condition will be seen in all the somatic cells and the haploid condition will be seen in germ cells. So germ cells in plant are pollen grains and egg. So both will fuse and forms the zygote. The zygote, if you sow it, he got all the tall plants. Then he got a doubt that what happened to my short quality. Then what he did? He got a wonderful idea. Now I wanted to show what he has done, right? One second. So in this he self-pollinated. What he did? Self-pollinated. These plants he self-pollinated means within itself. So how can we write? Self-pollination means the same plant again we will write now. So how we will write? See, capital T small t as male plant, capital T small t as female plant. What I am writing, I think you are understanding. You must understand by this time. So this is 2n, this is also 2n, right? This step you might have understood. Now, what are the gametes? The gametes are capital T, small t, yes. Here, capital T, small t, yes. Now, how to write this? So, this easily, to write in a easier way, Punnett, a scientist called Punnett, mentioned one tabular form. So, that's why this is called as a Punnett square. What we call? Punnett square. So, I will draw the Punnett square. I will explain remaining things, don't worry. So, what he mentioned, here we have to draw line. Now, this is male and this is female. What is under male? What you have? One second please. Under what? Male, what you have? This, capital T, small t. Male here, capital T, small t. Under female, what are there? Capital T, small t. Capital T, small t. So, both you add it and write. Now, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t. Now, here capital T, small t is there. Always we have to write capital T first. Capital T, small t and small t, small t. Okay. Now, what is the physical appearance? Physical appearance of these plants. If you saw it, can you tell me what is the physical appearance of these plants? 1, 2, 3. These three will be tall and only one plant is short. Which one is short? This one is short. Okay. So, in the previous one, in the previous video, I mentioned that the dominant trait and recessive trait. So, when two factors are there, that to heterozygous condition, one factor will dominate the other one. The one which is dominating will be called as dominant trait and which one is unable to dominate is called a recessive trait. So, this one, the small trait will not be seen. So, that's why this will be recessive. Now, when recessive will become dominant? When both are recessive factors are there. Now, this will be the short one. So, this is physical appearance. Here, I wanted to tell you one more point. Why we have taken capital T letter and small t letter. The trait which is dominant, we will take it as a capital letter. That to normal capital letter, not your cursive capital. Remember, not your cursive capitals, that capital letters only we have to take. Normal capital. And short or dwarf we should not represent as a S or D. We have to represent the corresponding small letter only. Here capital T I took it and here I took a small t. So that's all we have to take. We should not take a S or D. Am I clear? Next. So here how many tall plants are there? 3 tall plants and only 1 dwarf plant. Now if you remember homozygous and heterozygous I explained. Can you tell me what is homozygous? How many homozygous and how many heterozygous are there? Homozygous how many? means same chromosomes should be there. These two and these two are same. So 2 are homozygous and 2 are heterozygous. 2:2. This is homozygous and heterozygous I am talking. But the this physical appearance is also called as phenotype. What we call phenotype. If you see that the genes of this, the arrangement of the genes, you can see 3 types of gene arrangement. What is the 3 types of gene arrangement? Shall I write here? Yes, capital T is to capital T is to small t. How many capital T's are there? 1. How many capital T small t's are there? 2. And how many small t's are there? 1. So 1:2:1. What is this? This is called a genotype. What you call? Genotype. Means arrangement, based on their arrangement of the genes, the genotype, their genetic arrangement of the particular organism is called a genotype. So genotype is 1:2:1 and its phenotype is 3:1. Why 3:1 I mentioned here? 3 are tall, only 1 is short. So why 3 are tall? Because the capital T is dominating the small t. So this is called law of dominance. Okay, here also he got why this capital T small t became tall, because this capital T is dominating this small t. That's why this capital T is only shown, because when tallness is there, how shortness will be visible? After becoming short, it will become tall, no? So tall gene is there means it will become tall. Where shortness will be seen? It will not be seen. So that's why the shortness will be recessive and tallness will be dominating. So this is what we call it as law of dominance, right? This is second law of Mendel's law. Okay, understood? Thank you.